Hello, let's check how to install and set up browser extension for DID SIOP. Now you are at our official website. If you go to get started section, you can see the browser extensions. So I'm on Chrome and I'm going to install the Chrome extension. So this is our setup extension page. So if I install, I get this prompt, and it has been installed. I'm going to go and pin this so that way I have full access to it throughout. If you go into the extension, it asks for a password. I'm going to put a simple password here. Yeah, then again it asks the password to log into the system. So at the moment it's not configured. To configure it, you need to go to settings. Yeah, the quick way of getting started is use the test data. Here we have given a hard-coded set of private key and a public key with a decentralized identity. Now you are all set to use the extension. If you don't like this, if you want to create your own DID, well, you could go to tools.didsiop.org. Here you can generate a decentralized identity for yourself. If you go to the generate, and it's a matter of simply clicking this button, it generates everything you need: the address, the private key, and the decentralized identity. So I need to copy and paste these things and keep for the moment. So I have my decentralized identity copied. Now I have my private key with me. Yeah, so then I should go to resolve. Here I need to again provide the decentralized identity that we created to see the full document. Now I'm going to resolve that identity, and here we have the PID document. So here the most important thing we need here is the key ID and the private key. So let's copy the key ID as well. Yeah. All right, now we are ready to set up our own decent DID into the extension. Yeah, if we go to settings, we can go and change it. So it asks for our new DID, which I copied, which is available here as well. I'm gonna set that. I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna give my new DID. Yep, all good. Then I need to set the signing key. So this is where I need the private key that I copied to. So I have the signing key. So these are the two things that you have to do. You have to set the decentralized identity and the signing key, and basically you are good to go. So to see this in action, you could go to rp.didsip.org. This is where you have the this is a sample application. So here, when you try, if you could log in with your newly created SIOP DID or the DID. Once you click on this, I can see the waiting one request pending request is there. This is to log into the rpsididsurvey.org. Then it asks for the confirmation. Upon the confirmation, now it's processing. The login is successful. Now you are landing on the secure area of the application. Here it's a ID token that get created. You can see it on the address bar. And if you can see the ID token JWT decoded in any standard JWT viewer. So the issuer is self-issue.me as per the specification, and it has been issued to rp.didsip.org. So this is how you set up and configure your extension and test it. Thank you.